All right, so we have the Vello Daliah puppies at 6.5 weeks. We are having a good old time in the front yard, enjoying the sunshine, even though, hey, that's my phone. Please don't eat that. Even though it's pretty frigid here in the mornings, we're enjoying the sunshine, huh? It's warming up nicely. That's right. And these guys have quite a bit of drive already. Yeah. Good job, you got the tennis ball. Look, come here, bud. Come here. Get it. Good job. Get that tennis ball. No, not the feather grass. Come here, babies. All right, huh? Yeah. Let's start. Look. Oh, wow. Good job, guys. Bring that ball. Bring it back. You chased it. Good job, brother. Good job. Ready? Good job. Good job. Good job. Ow. Ooh, ow. That hurts. That hurts. Good job, sister. You got that ball? Hi. There. Have a tennis ball. Chew on that. Oh. Hi. Easy. Don't be rude, huh? Don't be rude. Good job. Look at you. You got a ball. Yeah. Oh, you dropped it. Come on. Look. Sheena, what you got? Buddy. Ryu. Come here, buddy. Go get it. No? Right? Sheena likes the dumbbell. Here, look. 6.5 weeks old. Huh, that's right. Good. Oh yeah. All right, who's having fun? Are you guys having fun? Sheena. Good job. You got the rabbit? All right, another game of tug of war. Get it, sister. Good job, guys. Come here, babies. Hello. Hello, handsome boys. Oh yeah, get that rabbit. Hi, Papa. Good girl, Sheena. Did you win? Come here, bud. Good job. You got the dumbbells? Yeah. Yeah, she puts her tail up and fight a lot. She's a fun puppy. Hi, mamas. Sheena. Sheena. Sheena Easton, come here. Come here, mamas. Aroo. Aroo. Baby girl. Hey, come here. Come here, babies. Thank you.